Jada, come here and let me talk to you a little bit. Sit down and sit down. Alright, yes. Jada,
Yeah.
you know something I love you, not true?
Yeah.
And you are the only niece we may have. You understand? You have only nephew, you know, but you are the only niece. I would have loved to see you come out to something good in a real life. You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
So please, me they beg you, stop follow the company them where you follow. Them kind of company they when me see you with. Them the people they don't mean themselves no good. Them a bad influence. Them a got influence you to do wrong things, bad things at the wrong time. And you go sorry. You see a little and nice? Would like you to get pregnant before time. You understand? And you see them your man nowadays, they only go and see with little breast and little body. And then they say you're a big woman, but remember your age. You hear? You is a child, so act your age. Me notice from other day, watch ya. One to Brazil, they went by you. Fix up yourself nice.
But the yard me in a...
Yard, you just a come off the road, so nobody not dep on the road. Or who dep on the road, it look like they ain't blind. But let me tell you something. Care down this little further. Stop expose a little nice body for the man them come spoil it up before time. Anyway, me go pack out the things that, you know what? Me go for something in this so. I'm gonna show you when I want you to help me pack out on the shelf. Jada,
Yeah.
look for me when I talk to you and say yes auntie, have manners. You feel say me your size?
No, auntie.
Jada, you see how me I treat you good? Because I don't want you to walk and beg nobody nothing. And me I take care of you the best way like you're my own child. Anyway, a long time me I want little saving and save for you because I want to send you to go to college. So you need to take your book and take out man out of your head. I mean, we are not done, you know. But sometimes you little pitney, you have the ability and the potential to do no work at school, but take a friend, you don't listen. And if you don't listen, you're not going to learn. Anyway, I have something in the shop when I want you to help me pack out. I go for them and carry them out. So, or you walk down the south with me and follow me go walk and sell them because nothing can go on the day dead. Nothing can go on. Soon come.
Hello? Soon talk.
You see them here? I walk and sell them when you're going to walk up and down with your friend. Then. Nobody will be walking up and down today.
Cause on hot.
You don't have to go walk and sell them in a Jada. You can help me pop them out in the fridge. You understand? Because they need, hey, I sell them, you know, to save up the savings when I have to send you to college, you know. And right now, college money, and no kidney money, and no baby money, a big man money. We need to sell out this stuff them to get some more new stuff. To save up more from the little savings when I have to send you to college because me want you to turn doctor or flight attendant or some nurse, something successful in a life you must become. You hear what me say?
Yes, auntie.
Me no want no worthless niece around me. Look how you're nice and pretty. Don't make them boys turn in an idiot.
Auntie, every day I get up with the over and over conversation.
Jada, you say if me never mean you no good? Me wouldn't they try with you.
All me I get in all me I get. You cannot get up every day. La.
Don't worry yourself, man. You see when I get big, you go thank me for everything when I do for you. Anyway, you see being as you say, the sun hot, nobody go up on the road go sell this. Carry them go pack them in the fridge. Come. Alright. Me I go carry them back here, go downtown, go sell them. They go exchange them and take some other liquor. Go on inside, go pack up them. Anyway, taxi man soon come, me already call him.
Right now, tell a girl a low slow. You said one from down, so
This thing should happen.
real true, you know.
Cause I two of in a car for a long time and
A style him a try style of you.
call her yesterday, she a grown and a come around. And I say, no, see me allow that girl there. And she say, this thing should happen for real.
Just have to do it right there. We can't make them clown you out anyway, see me?
That one. And one night time they go call her and say me have 15 grand, you know, and give her, you know. But through my sister, she not real. I not give her it.
Brother, that the girl didn't deserve 15 grand. Right now, some bullet with a girl buy too.
No, what kind of bullet? Brother, right now, some money we want on the ends to uplift.
Brother, we can't make no man run the block, you know. We have to run that ourselves, you know.
Brother, I know right now to girl and money no right now. I know them shit.
Yeah, boy, you have them things that you back yourself.
Them things they have to do that, yes, but we have to look for it better, right? Right now, I'm hungry. You have nothing can give me feed?
No, you just tell me, say, you give girl 15 grand.
I say, I did that, them there. Brother, right now, bill off for that.
So you did that, the money then?
That done, brother, me I show you. Some better life we want to live right now.
Yo,
you know, want to go on jet ski and them things there.
You have to put money to use, brother. You can't just spend it. You have to think about tomorrow too, you know.
True that. Same thing I tell you can't slow gun business too.
No, brother, you have to have bucket.
Listen to what me I say now. Low gun business. In a worth it.
That's a crap, brother.
You always hold in. You just have to show you and give you advice and try to show you the right way. But if you want to hold with. Yeah.
Hello? Babes, you know, say me there for here, they can come check me. I have something to talk to you about. Serious. Come check me now.
Alright, I'll come get you.
Alright, I wait for you.
When I charge them the short,
No, when I be short.
them things that I tell you about, brother. Them a give you money.
Listen to me, no, man. You don't know what she call me about. We link up. Just stay safe when you grab me. See, I ride the bike there for a day and the lower 5 bike.
Go and go link it.
Yeah.
Oi! Yeah, come there.
Come in when sun kind of hot and I lose milk color.
I'm going.
What's up now? I urgent.
I want to tell you one joke. My miserable auntie that talked to me not too long and she mentioned say she has some money I save up and go to college.
Money?
Yeah.
I lie you tell.
Let me tell.
So where they? You don't know where they?
It in our house.
Go for can't take out all you want thing and answer.
So what are you planning idea?
Go feed and you will know. Hurry up. Mad in idea.
15 grand, me take out now.
So I know you rate me, you know. So you don't know.
Anything, maybe go get ice cream or
So
something.
this area,
We can't go change,
I
but
don't like how you shoot my property, you know. I don't like them thing there.
babes, come on. We have money, we can go enjoy. We have.
One go change and come.
Babes,
So-
guess what? Me can't change because my auntie tell me say me no for left yard and me no want go change. So if she come and me reach late, me can't tell her say I done the road, me go or something.
Maybe just do it fast and come. Gear up.
These are the prices for the containers. We also the cake and ice cream combo where you have a slice of cake in this container.
Yeah.
With a scoop of ice cream. You don't get it.
How much is that? The cake?
It all depends on the cake that you choose. The choice of cake determines your final price.
I'm gonna go with the cone ice cream, 1 spoon. Or you could get for your one first.
Generally, I know what to.
Thanks. Seriously? No. Alright. A miserable woman, innit?
What I do? Sit down. Right? So, I'm there say, I never really dare take you serious at first. But what you do for me today, you call me and give me a piece of cheese and I'm rate you for that. You see me? And I'm not telling no lie, I don't really trust women like that.
Babes, really?
Nah, tell you no lie.
Babes, let me tell you something. You see, if I never real, I would do what I do today. Worse, my auntie say I'm money for go college. I'm a risk it and take out, look at the money. We can go enjoy ourselves, spend a little time with you. What you mean? You not trust woman.
I really you still not walk me in the past.
But you cannot put your past in your present.
True that. But as I say, I really rate you for that. If I didn't rate you before, I really rate you now. I hope so we have a long thing in the future.
I hope so too.
But anyway, still, around night tomorrow, I go chip chap with David something up the line and forward back.
Seriously, how long you gonna take for
I
come?
don't really know yet still, you know. Because I don't really know what I'm going to do. But I somebody link me about sitting on my deal. I don't know how long it will take. But I'm going to come back. I don't really stay long, I think. This I really test the relationship and see how strong it be. You see me? Because I say how far me over there now. I don't want to hear say you're dead on here. I don't know, foolish, a flirt around. You see me?
Be really?
You know me a whole heap of nigga.
Really, me not them kind of woman there, but flirt.
I just a say.
But you even deal with your friend there much less. So you feel say that.
So you dip on the yard and I walk up.
Yeah, but come on, I don't know if my auntie reach up yet, you know.
So come in.
Hello. Jada?
Yes, auntie?
Me no left in the yard. What? Where you coming from?
Then the road, then a shop.
You sound like your stomach, so. Get up. Jada,
Yes, auntie?
where you they come from?
Then a shop, me go buy something to eat, I'm hungry.
Shop.
Yeah.
Where you get money from?
$100 me did have.
$100.
Yeah.
You just tell me, say, you they come from shop. Where the item where you buy?
I drink coffee juice, so me I come.
What kind of juice you buy? And who you buy it from? Me they go down at the shop right now.
But then at the shop, then at the corner, where then the sun go.
And only for shop they way down at the corner there. So which one of the shop they go? Because I know everybody down the road.
The last shop.
Me notice from the other day, you know, Jada. A bill like you tell me. You make me can't trust you, Jada. Jada, look how me love you. Look how me take care of you. Jada, me talk to you.
But auntie, a shop me I come from.
The way me talk to you like me your own mother. Biological mother. Jada, me no want you put yourself in no problem. Jada, I hope you not go down the road going and no mix up, you know.
No, I just shop me go.
Jada, me know say me mad long time, but me no feel mad today. I swear say I glimpse somebody like you in the town.
No, auntie, a shop me go.
You sure say your name there? No which part, no ice cream place there where they sell ice cream right? Oh my God, that's
You know
all.
how long me not eat ice cream, auntie? You know how long?
Alright, don't worry yourself. Anyway, come here. Cause you look suspicious, you know. You look suspicious and me don't know if you dey tell me the truth. Turn around. Where your clothes look so dirty up? Where you come from?
Then a shop, auntie.
Shop again. Jada, me not trust you.
Auntie, I don't shop. You cook?
All that on your mind is food. Me dey talk to you, you dey talk about food. What that on your foot?
What that?
What you mean, what that? Jada, hold on there. Jada, what them there on your foot? Jada, so me start blind too? Me not bother mad again? Jada, that look like a sun. You go beach, Jada?
No, auntie, me no know if I look outside. Me dem want to stuff to build up the house.
So
No
the-
walk pan.
This a road you walk on come up here?
Yes, auntie.
So another asphalt again on Sun Road. Jada, me need to check you out. Come go in my house. Sun the Take off your slippers. Take off your slippers. Your slippers full of sand.
And we can go bathe first.
Bathe?
I'm sweat.
Go on up there, son. One in my house. One in there. Jada, please don't get me on my wrong side today. Tell me the truth where they come from. One inside. Only could it an outer than lie.
I don't know.
What you mean you don't know I don't live here?
I don't know, I just come here, I don't know.
I ain't in there, so you must know when there.
I just come here, I don't know.
Well, I'm a partner money, me come bout.
You don't call her?
Me a call her and me not get her. Me a text her and me not get her. Me not see DP fear. You go right to voice me like she block me. And I hit me come for today. And today now pass it. Me not get it.
That no me and you giant partner.
Okay. Okay, Miss Attitude. I will wait to talk to her. So if you lock up in there, tell him to come outside.
You don't call her?
Like you know you saying block me. Cause me a idiot. Me a big head body. He gone but seen slippers there. Who we are? Who we are?
I don't know for slippers.
Who we are?
I don't know, I just come here, sir. Yes, me on sit down from me open the gate and come in.
Yeah man, cause you live here but outside you sit down too. You can't trick me. No, you can't trick me. I tell them me want me money. You ain't gone.
You can't go up the road, you know. Cause you feel like I go sit down there sir, and wait with you. I even like people.
You don't feel like me. You don't feel like me. And your auntie me don't like, and your auntie me want the money from. So you don't feel like me. And you not put on my pot. Me tell you that. Cause you can't general me in here. Me tell you all down, you can't general me.
Yo! Where you going? I go there for the me say you for my boy you go on it.
No one.
Me say you take things serious, you know.
Yeah, I rate the youth and I love him, so I expect.
So you feel like he ain't good enough for you?
Of course.
Me glad you come. Me could wait for you come. So me a call and text you and me not get you.
What you frightened me for?
Me a call you and me a text you and me not get you.
Look here. Look here. See what I not like with uno people? You're not even show your hand for this week. It's a matter of fact. What you do you so? And no time for you get dry yet, you know?
What you mean no time for me get job? Me not fi show me hand for this week because this week you say me I get pay. When you give me the job, me give you me hand out there. So just I job me come for. Cause since me a call you and I text you, me just feel this not too long left you so, you know. And me a talk to her and she gone, you know. In tail in her box so you just gone, you know. So me a wait for you, you come now. You can go inside, you look up and the money can come.
Are you a dumb or dumbest? Let me
The
tell you.
dumbest.
The dumbest. It looks so fit true. Because I tell you that you going to get your partner on the 16th and you come on the 8th 1 week before. Me not understand you. What you do on me yard? Excitement you come for create like I said me go take away your money. When a year time, what you do you so now?
Yeah, this week you tell me. This week so me come for because nobody not even can trust a your shop, you know. You not trust, you know, do nothing at have nobody free. And me work hard and trump hard and me a call you, me a text you. And you a woman always have your phone. Give me job, make me go on my yard, man.
You cannot get it before the time. And me now go give you another man draw. When it's not your time. When your time, girl, go on out of my yard. You don't love excitement here? And what you mean you can't tell me say? Because you forget draw. That mean you don't have to choice. You know what? Let me come go in my house because I'm tired the sun hot. You alright? Go on out of my yard.
One thing me tell you, know. Yes, when me come next week now, if me partner man if you tell me no pussy nasty story, you know. A problem between me and you, know. Problem. Alright.
You see people like Uno, when you love true partner, and Uno want first draw, second draw, third draw. And when you no get to no hand, Uno no bother business with the rest of people there, but you're not going to come put me in no trouble. Go on your yard.
Me say no make me get me money next week. Mark, what today? You say me no get my money. Next week, like you say next week me I get it. You shall
You
see
see
me.
you?
shall.
One and you have in there. And people in there will have all 3, 4 and they not behave like you. Guess what? Me tell you the 16 and if you go and talk too hard, you see next week when you come. When you come next week, somebody else get a job with a 4 and in there. You're a wicked girl. A 1 and you have in there, me take time and pinch you and tell you something with you. And you're ready for create excitement for the rest of people them who have them 3 and 4 and when you get not even 1 dry yet, if you can't argue with me. You see what
Me a create excitement.
me know me can go and say you want me figure you, then you know throw back the people them money for give me, then you put me in a trouble. You not make no police.
Me a create excitement.
Go on out of me yard.
Me a create excitement. Me come next week and me don't get my money. 1 stick of matches and 1 buckle. A cursing and me like this. Remember me tell you.
Get out me door.
She not in there.
She not did it.
Why you feel so?
Because me and him a come from far.
Well, so, I have a picture with you in a picture with you in my phone. But may I take one picture? So yes, I can come check you later.
Come check me for.
So me and a friend.
The only check you when I come over the come check and maybe I support me auntie bar and buy out the bar.
Then when you can do that and have fun.
What kind of fun?
Girls just want to have fun and I want to have fun.
No.
You smoke and them things there?
No.
So you not drink rum?
No, I'm not interested. Just come support my auntie bar.
Yes, so me you can have a drinks over there.
Yeah, man.
So you move so. I
Oh,
don't
me a
know
move.
here.
I move now way.
So what time for? Give me a number so I can call you.
Where you want my number now for?
Because-
You know which part me live. You know
Yeah,
just
but
come. You know which part me live. Over there so me live. See the bar there.
Yo, I'm not like how you're moving.
I'm to the miserable woman here.
What you just say? I mean I talk to Jada, you just say something?
I soon call you back. I'm a phone me there, Pam.
Okay. I think I'm here to say something. Where you coming from?
We roll me there, also.
Every time you go somewhere and come back, I down there somebody there, I up there somebody there, or a shop you go.
I up the road me there.
I up the road there you go. Where did I do up the road?
Just did. Sit down up, also.
Jada, where me money?
Which money you talk about? I don't know which money you talk about.
Where me which money? Little girl, you feel say. True you there around me and me never put me hand on you. You feel me afraid to do it?
Which money you talk about? I don't know which
Jada.
money you talk about.
Jada, don't make me tell you what me no want to tell you.
Mine not
Where
to
the
come
people
here,
them
you know.
money?
Which money?
The people them partner money where you take out and me and you live in there, Jada. Jada, what you do with the people them
I know
money?
me. Maybe you put it somewhere you don't remember where you put it. I know
Jada.
me.
Jada, please. If you take the people them money in the name of Jesus, give me it back.
It's not me in the name of Jesus.
Don't call God name, I'm not a liar. One of them come on me yard all before time. Me tell you man the 16th she come on the 8th.
See a mad girl with it over here. Over here.
Jada, that's not your business. If she mad or she not mad. But me just I tell you how people serious about their money. Oh, you have to take out the money and the money don't belongs to me.
Alright, let me go make me talk.
Jada, make sure you find the money give me. Anyway you go with it, go back for it. Talk.
You know I say I'm hungry, me did hungry.
You the hungry?
Yeah.
Jada, so you're hungry and take out $15,000 to go buy what? How will you buy so?
One of them big seafood boil in the buy. $14,000 for it.
You take out $15,000 to go buy one box food. Which part in Jamaica sell one box food for $15,000? You know what? The sun hot. Come here, go sit. You know what? Come right here. Sit down right here. Jada, tell me the truth what you do with the people them money. Come to go want it back. Look on me. Where the people them money?
Auntie, your food, me take your money by.
And a matter of fact, where I hide the phone on the sofa? Take it up, give me. Who for phone this? I know this a phone I may give you.
At the case, me change one of my friend and then me our case and me change it.
You sure, Jada?
Yes, auntie.
Okay, hold this. I want the people the money. Please, can tell me what you do with it. Because I'm sure you could never take
food. Me take you buy.
food. And more than one time you buy food with it. And since the thief money here from last week, that look like I say how they buy food from all 1 week straight or 2 weeks straight. Because you could never buy one food.
Me buy food, me buy ice cream, me buy juice. Just for myself.
Jada, what a wickedness. So you want to tell me, say the shop, them where you go, the shopkeeper, them thieves, so, and sell you one food for $14,000? Me need to know the shopkeeper. Me need to know that the shopkeeper there.
One of the ice cream we buy $1,000 now. They never know ice cream.
Me not understand you. Chew me done school for a long time. Me no OT no me catch you fire. And you still go to school. Jada, you say you buy the food for 14,000. The ice cream for 1,000. Then Jada no 15,000 like that. Then the rest are sitting the way you say you buy. I still that the same 15,000 they buy. Jada might not take out more money and me believe say I go 15,000. Jada, me know say you're bright, but master, me not think say you go get no subject with them the kind of education that we have. It look like me have to go send you back to primary school. Big old high school tough kid get like you.
Oh, me just remember $12,000 for food when I buy.
Jada,
Yes, auntie.
me look like me have crayfish brain to you, don't? No. Jada, me look like me don't, so me an idiot. Not you, me can't check, me never go to school. Only you want go to school. You're well intellectual. Watch it. You're well bright. You're educated more than everybody else in the world, but you can't fool me. Jada, find the people their money give me. Jada, me shame of you. Me shame. Me shame so till. Jada, me can't believe say the little savings when me they try to save out of the little work them when me I do and the little partner when me they try to make you go to college after you left high school. You they take time thief for the people their money plus they thief for savings. Jada, so you don't mean yourself no good. Jada, you don't mean yourself no good no at all. Because when you take with the little money where you see in the place where they try to save up, plus another that you know I'm going to take with this little saving, you take with the people them partner money to put me in a problem. Look how you go see police come all and pull me. What you going to do? Because you know nobody to stay with more than me. Jada, you know what? I can't take this no more. Go on in. Go on in, Jada. Go on in because you get on top of my nerves. You a pressurizer. You, Jada, if you sick with me, I can make me drop down and the people them down a fire station and have to come for me already. You see you? Jada, just take time me the gear, you know. If you change, but if you not change, you're not going to like what me I going to do with you. Wicked people, man. Jesus.
Yo, Chop Skull.
Oh, God.
Yo, you know, so me have one picture for send you, dog. God know.
Oh, wait up.
Me to a new girl, you.
Alright.
Yeah, but what going up at your place differently?
I'm just too long with you and I'm going to
Hold on. You know, I think normal. I'm send you a picture on app. Look upon him, I send you. So me I tell you, you can't trust them girl, brother. No two go call up my name still, me I know that's a part for you look a while. Right, me I tell you say, take your money and buy a bullet, no waste it on girl. No, me just that show you the right thing, but you need to listen.
No, you. But you need to wait upon.
Me there. Ah, just do it right then. Me there. But keep me posted, man. You see me just connect up on the
Just
phone.
keep me posted same way and let me know what I want.
It's how we can share our still in here. You see me?
What kind of shit? You must do come burn down there.
You know, listen governor song when you say that they think they cut in a two. For
You know
me.
what? You know what?
Yo.
You know what? You know what?
Man, hang up on me.
Good evening. Jada.
Hello. What you mean good evening, Jada? Me not understand. You're not even asking if Jada there. You're just good evening, Jada. Me know say you and Jada friend. But from you and Jada friend, me notice how Jada they go on different and she start do things that she never used to do before. So me not understand what they go on between you and she. Or you just come in and me and come all of Jada. You what you feel? So you say good evening, you must come draw Jada as you feel like.
Me not care Jada.
Jada, come here! Sit down right here, so.
Go on. I'm a friend in a auntie.
What Marita, so? What?
No.
What you mean nothing? So are you they come here, so? Come draw Jada out of the yard?
No.
So where you come to her about now?
For me and her talk. Jada, my friend, me can't come look for her.
You see your attitude? You see your face expression? Oh no manners. Watch you with the body language. Me a big woman for your little girl. Who you? Where you come from? So, are you a broke out Jada? And she has to give your phone case?
Yes, auntie.
The tone look like one of a kind, like one big fat liar.
Ask her.
Are you give her phone case?
Yes, I mean, give her a phone case.
So you not no phone?
No, my phone mash up, so me give her a case we go and use. Because she said she want it.
The whole of no full of excusing. Anyway, you see you and your little stinking attitude you need to come out of my yard. You see if you want to meet Jada, when you see her on the road, you meet her. Not in this place. Go through my gate.
Jada later. Alright.
Have no manners. Look on you too.
No fear abuse.
You
Your only friend me have.
your only friend. Are she the broke you out?
No.
Or are you the broke out she? Come! If you have manners, ring. Wait till I hold you. And she a bad girl. I'm a broke you out. Oh, Tala.